Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. We're going to talk about why Ethereum can still go under $500, and there's a specific reason. And for the same reason, you should actually sell Ethereum Classic before the merge actually happens. Remember, when people weren't happy with Bitcoin, they created Bitcoin Cash. And when people weren't happy with Bitcoin Cash, they created Bitcoin SV. And remember when Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV engaged in a dumb hash war, that crashed Bitcoin's price. Well, Ethereum Merge could have some of the same problems. Now, it won't crash the entire market like Bitcoin did, but the possible merge could actually have consequences that it could have another chain split, much like Ethereum Classic and Ethereum. Now, 53% of Ethereum people actually think it will go with smoothly and without a hitch. But 53% is not a huge reassuring number. Yes, it's a majority, but it's not great in terms of numbers and what people actually expect. So Ethereum could actually experience a chain split, and that would actually, I think, drop ETH's price at least temporarily. And even without the chain split, I think Ethereum's going to drop substantially after the merge because people will buy the rumor and sell the news. Plus, they discovered that the new proof of stake thing doesn't actually solve Ethereum's scaling problem automatically. I do think there's going to be a little bit of disappointment, and people are going to sell off anyways. If Bitcoin is in a bad spot at that point, I think it could sell off under 1,000 to 800. But I think the chain split could take it further down to possibly below 500. I think there's only a small chance that this happens, but you should probably have some money on the side just in case this happens. Because when they did that hash war, Bitcoin dropped to like $3,000, and then it rose up massively after that. So if you bought then, it was definitely a good deal. So I think you should actually have a little bit of money on the side to actually buy Ethereum just in case they have a chain split and some support goes to the new proof of work chain or the old proof of work chain, while most of it supports proof of stake. So there is a possibility of a chain split by disgruntled Ethereum miners. Remember, a lot of miners are going to be very disgruntled because they bought a lot of heavy mining equipment and now you can't mine Ethereum. The other stuff isn't quite as profitable. Now, why would you sell Ethereum Classic before the merge date? Because if this actually happens, and there's a somewhat of a chance this will actually happen, Ethereum Classic will actually face mining competition from this new Ethereum blockchain, and some people might actually go to this new Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum Classic has been rising because Ethereum miners have actually been slowly moving to Ethereum Classic lately. But with this new chain coming up, ETC might actually face competition and might steal some of the hash rate. And if it steals some of the hash rate, ETC might be in for a serious drop. So there is a pretty big risk to ETC if this chain split actually happens. Remember, the merge, I think, is September 16th. So have some money prepared just in case Ethereum mega dumps after the 16th because of a chain split. And you should get out of Ethereum Classic before September 16th, just in case of a chain split as well. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.